The CEO and Dr. Githae were not suspended. They were not interdicted. They were not impeached.
Ona kiumia kimwe gitathirite kuma minista wa ugima wa mwiri Sicily Kariuki ahagurwo mahuri-ini kamitii ya ugima wa mwiri, uruti wake wa wira no urekirirwo nganja kuria riu gikundi kia ambunge mandikire speaker wa mbunge ya kibururi Justin Muturi makienda Kariuki ahagurwo. Matongoretio ni mbunge wa Mandera North Bashir Abdullahi. Ambunge ya merumite kinina kuga no nginyagia Kariuki athegio giturwa-ini giki makimwikuira uhuthiri moru wa wabici.
This notice of motion reminds Kenyans and everybody that if you are a public officer and trusted with the responsibility to serve Kenyans, then you must do your job. The president and the deputy president appointed you. If you fail to do your job, then Parliament will have to look into it.
Oho ambunge ni monanitie kwaga kuiganira na ripoti ya muthia ya kamitii ya mbunge iigii ugima wa mwiri, makiuga ni uhuthu Kariuki gukorwo anyitanire na amemba ayo kwandika ripoti iria iregemera mwena umwe na kwendikithia kubunjwo kwa bodi ya thibitari-ino oro undu umwe na kurugamio wira kwa arugamiriri anene.
The report is very biased, totally excluding Sicily from any discussion in the report, which is in public domain, you can check, and puts squarely trouble in the doorstep of Madam Lily Koros.
It is very clear that the power has gotten into her head and she was not ready to reason. Therefore, we said we will protect the respective professionals and we will allow them to be given time to do their work. And that is why we sponsored this bill.
Murugamiriri munene wa thibitari-ino Lily Koros na munene wa gikiro kia urigitani ndagitari Bernard Githae marugamirio wira kwa ihinda tariki 2 mweri uyu niguo kuhe kanya uthuthuria wikwo iguru riigie uria arwaru eri mahingicithanirio thibitari-ini ino na gucungiriria umwe wao guthinjwo ithenya ria uria ungi. Riu dereti ya kuhagurwo gwa Sicily Kariuki iri metha-ini yetereire o kwariririo na agikorwo ni kuhagurwo egukorwo ari minista wa mbere gutungata giturwa-ini giki kwa ihinda inini muno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.